Yeah, I finally figured out how to take out that brake. All you had to do is do the throttle, travel, adjust, and the ESC, and that's it.
Oh, really? And then the brake turns off?
Yes. Can you believe that?
Look at those lights. Look at that.
It's awesome.
And if you got flaps, why not use it, right? Oh, here goes nothing. Oh my God! Did you see that? Okay, flaps off. That is incredible. This thing just lifted off in no time. Well, not bad.
It looks real in here.
Yes, it does. A little low pass. Boy, it's fast. You know, without the flaps?
Yeah.
It's handling the wind pretty good. Yeah, there's a little breeze up there now.
Yeah.
I love those lights. Coming straight at you. Yeah, it's a little doggy. It doesn't have that much power in the power department.
Oh, there it is.
That was cool. Look at that. Of course, a real 183 ain't gonna do that. Yeah. Oh, look at that slow character. This is really nice. Sweet. All right, coming in for a landing. See what happens.
That's on.
It doesn't want to land. It just stays up there, you know?
Same problem I have with
Oh, yeah,
my Stetson. She does not want to land.
Okay, no power.
And a go round. It retains its energy very well. You got it, man.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Very nice.
Oh, man, that was... Let's take those damn dirty flaps off. Look at those lights. I love those lights. Look at that. Oh, man. Check her out, guys. Just like the real thing. I'm glad I've made it in right here. At the moon port, sometimes it runs off the runway. You know what?
A little bit narrow or short runway? Or
yeah.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Thanks.